Now, ladies and gents, it is now 1 day left until we hear Nio announcing officially their deliveries, or the kind of deliveries they generated for October for both Nio models and Onvo models. And I must say, guys, so many of the investors are waiting for this. We are patiently waiting for this to see the kind of deliveries that Nio produce. We know that it is going to be a new monthly record, but in terms of the exact figures, we still don't know. Some are saying 25,000, some are saying 28,000, and I'm just in between, right? But I know that we are going to get some surprise tomorrow when Nio announced that. Now, with that, Deutsche Bank just came through and gave us their projections as to what is it that they expect to come from Nio as deliveries for October. And I still not going to notice that they are expecting Nio to report tomorrow around 24,500 deliveries for both Nio and Onvo, which is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, they are seeing around 24,500 for both Nio and Onvo. Now, when they break down, they said they are expecting Nio to sell around 20,500 units now in October, and also Onvo seeing around 3,600. So they believe that the deliveries of Onvo are going to be 3,600, whilst deliveries of Nio are going to be at 20,500. This is good. This is incredible. If we are to get this indeed, then it's still good. It's lights out, because it will be a new monthly record. But I must say, investors on a minimum are targeting, or we are targeting at a minimum of 25,000 tomorrow. You want to see 25,000 deliveries, which therefore means any number from 25 going up. I think that one, it will be a very good number, as this will change also, or will continue shaping the sentiment around the Nio stock, and it's going to make people continue investing into the Nio stock, because they see the potential that is lying onto this stock. I mean, when it comes to the orders, Deutsche Bank confirmed also the orders for Nio and Onvo, and they said Nio in October they received, or they believe that they received 19,000 orders, whilst for Onvo received 15,000 orders, which is something that shows you once again that Onvo, it's picking up in terms of order, and it's going to catch up maybe with Nio in terms of orders, which is something that is massive and incredible. And to see L60 performing like this, I mean, it's good. I mean, also Nio, to see that it's still getting roughly around 20,000 orders on a month to month, it is something that is pretty exciting, because this will give or continue boosting their deliveries, or make Nio to deliver over 20,000 even in the months to come. But what is more interesting is the Onvo orders also, to say that if they are getting these 15,000 orders on a month to month, it means that we are going to very soon starting to see Onvo scooping or getting 40,000 deliveries. So chances are 20,000 deliveries. So chances are by March of next year, Nio will be able to deliver 40,000 every month, which is something that is massive, something that is bullish onto the Nio stock. And I must say, we cannot wait. I cannot wait to see Nio do that, achieve that, because 40,000 in a month equals 120,000 in a quarter, which that I think it will be something, or some solid deliveries that can take Nio to a break-even or profitability, which is something that we look forward to. So from Q2 we can expect those 40,000 deliveries to come, which is something that will be extremely bullish to the Nio stock. So Deutsche Bank, they are expecting 24,500, and out of those 24,500, 20,500 will come from Nio, whilst 3,600 will come from Onvo. So yeah, we look forward to that. I've noticed that even on the streets of social media, a lot of the investors are now just patiently waiting for the Nio deliveries, which, like I said, tomorrow they will be coming, and we look forward to them. Now, something that is very interesting about Deutsche Bank is that when it comes to the deliveries, especially on a month to month, they don't miss by much, and this simply means that we could see, or we are going to see, around 25,000 plus minus deliveries coming from Nio, because what we've been seeing from Deutsche is that like I said, on a month to month, when they make their predictions or projections, they are not very far off, which this might tell us that 25,000 is what we might get this month, which, like I said, it will be very amazing, so incredible. Even this 24,500, if we are to get this, it will still be incredible, massive, bullish to the Nio stock, right? And I look forward to this, because this would have made, or this will mean that Nio right now, from now onwards, we're just going to see the trend going up, because the production capacity for Onvo is continuing to increase, and the next month the production capacity would have been better than where it is right now, and therefore Onvo will continuously deliver more vehicles on a month to month. I mean, the president of Onvo yesterday, we're talking about him saying that they are going to get to a production capacity of 20,000 in a space of like 6 months, which will be a month earlier than Xiaomi reaching that same milestone of production capacity of 20,000, which is bullish, man. And I think these are massive news, and just makes me and you to continue increasing our holdings, loading the boat, to taking the low trading prices opportunities to buy Nio, because we know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. I think these are bullish news, these are massive news, and all we need to do right now is to wait for the deliveries that are coming out tomorrow. As soon as they come out, I will be giving you those deliveries, and we'll be going through them here on this channel. So stay tuned, man, because as soon as they come out, I'll definitely quickly do a video and quickly release it, so that we can analyze the results and try to see where Nio could be in the near future, which is massive, which this is important to the new investors, because it's not just about investing onto Nio because of what they are doing now, but it is also about what they could be doing, or what we could see them doing in the future, which is why it is important that you hit the notification bell, so that at least you get notified every time I drop a new content. So do your own DD, man. Yes, the new stock price is quite volatile, and share price wise we might not be where we need to be or where we were targeting, but in the long term we will get there. In the long term we will all break even, which is something that is incredible, and we look forward to that time. I mean, very soon we should all be sitting at some good profits. I cannot say exactly when, but I know when profitability comes, that it's lights out for Nio, guys, because at that time we'll be looking at Nio as a different company than the kind of company that is perceived to be now. I mean, some people will say Nio is not profitable, all those kind of things, and we'll have to see how the sentiment shifts when Nio turns to profitability. Otherwise, with all that, do your own DD. Just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that at least you get to be reminded every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.